Hi guys, welcome to Gopi's Art Gallery. I hope you are doing well, and today we are going to make this beautiful Diya stand or mandir with Febicryl Mouldit Clay. I have made everything from the very scratch, and if you want to buy this piece, DM me on my Instagram at Gopi's Art Gallery. Every link is in the description below. So let's follow our tutorial and make it together. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Welcome back to the tutorial. So today we'll first take our main piece, which is the diya, and create a cardboard mold of that shape. And we'll be needing a sprayer with water, we'll be needing a sponge, we will be needing some talcum powder or any kind of powder would do. We'll be needing a cutter, a spatula, a ruler, and something round to spread out the clay. Now we are going to put some powder on the surface, and we are going to take out all of our molded clay. And I'm using the molded clay's box as the shaper or the mold that I will be creating. It will look like a house or a box sort of. So let's see. If you're taking any kind of box, make sure to secure it with lots of tape. We don't want any accidents to happen. Now we are going to knead our clay with both the resin and the hardener together, and we're going to spread it out really well and started to cut out our shapes. As you can see, I am putting the clay to the mold and joining it with a little bit of clay and spraying water to smoothen out the edges. We don't want any kind of bumpy edges, to be honest. And the sprayer is working really good. You can use a bowl of water for that. Right now we're creating a half moon shape for the door, and we're going to line up some really long clay twine, and we are going to place it the front portion of our clay house. And just like that, we have created some more twine and designing it up on the roof of our clay house. And I have made two leaves and one round dome shape to stand out our incense sticks, because of course it's a diya house or a mandir, and we'll can put these incense sticks into those holes. If you want to do it like that, you can. If you don't want it, you can obviously skip that place. And the dome shape will look like more like a mandir, to be honest. And I'm putting out some more small detailing, and right now I am putting the water and the glue solution to put down some tissue paper and create a little bit of texture for the walls. Okay, after the demolding, I am putting out some tissue paper again, and I'll put down with some water and the glue with the help of a flat brush. I'm not dragging the tissue paper, I'm just patting them down, because dragging can cause, as you can see, a little bit of chip off. We don't want any of that to happen. And after that, I will sand it down after drying it for a hard 1 day, and then I'll put down the colors. Okay guys, so our home is all dried up, and we are going to sand the surfaces or any other accidental chip offs right now. Okay, so our sanding is complete, and I'm dusting off all those little pieces, and then I'll start it to paint it down. I have taken the Febicryl's acrylic color in the variant neon yellow, and I have taken in the variant neon orange as well, and I have taken the lemon yellow. These three colors will be the base of our house. The very first layer of the color I am putting down with the help of a spatula, and then I am putting down the color with a help of a sponge to have some texture. When you are using the sponge, you gotta be careful not to press too hard or drag the color. Just pat it on the surface and see the magic happens. Right now I'm adding the lemon yellow to the inside of the little home and to the outside to those little bit round shape detailings, and later we will paint it with a different metallic color. I am putting the greens with leaves, and each of every detailing on the roofs will have different color. It will look really good. So trust me guys, trust in the process and just keep painting. You can use whatever color you like. I am using the colors I am attracted to the most. It will be bright, it will be colorful, it will be like a spring in a summer. And for the very last detailing, I'm using the Febicryl metallic acrylic color in the shade rust, and this shade, as you can see, popped the heck out of our piece. So try to experiment like I am doing with different colors, light and dark, low and saturated colors. And for the last and final detailing, we are adding some mirrors to our artwork. I happen to have only the round mirrors in big size. I don't have the small mirrors or other size, so I'm just using them. Later I will add the small mirrors, and I will put the picture also in my Instagram, so go follow there if you don't want to miss out. And yeah, that's for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys will make it at your home, and if you want to purchase this piece, please contact me on my Instagram profile. And if you want to buy anything other from my shop, the link is down in the description and in my link tree as well. So that's for today. Thank you so much guys for watching me. Bye bye.